Idea, suggestion, proposal, funding. Welcome to the Elastos DAO. You may have heard of us under our old name, which is Cyber Republic. Same community, same on-chain rules, just a cleaner name that matches the rest of the Elastos smart web. Hey, I'm Rico Richardson, and in the next few minutes I'm going to show you step by step how this DAO keeps the network running, how ordinary holders turn ideas into funded projects, and how you can take part in the May elections. And in the next few minutes you might still see a few sections where we still refer to the DAO as Cyber Republic, as we are in the process of the rebrand to Elastos DAO. Just for clarity, let's get into it. First, a quick orientation. Think of the Elastos Network as a 3-story house. The basement is raw security. Bitcoin miners merge mine every block, so we inherit Bitcoin's hash power. The middle floor is decentralization and fair contribution, handled by bonded proof of stake, where validators and everyday stakers sign each block. The top floor, where today's story unfolds, is the DAO layer, sometimes called proof of integrity. And this is the room where ideas turn into proposals, proposals turn into on-chain votes, and successful votes release funding without a single company signing a check. The DAO went live about 5 years ago, long before decentralized governance became a buzzword. It survived 2 bull markets, 1 deep bear, and even a leadership change. It works because power is split in 3 ways. Miners secure the chain, stakers keep it humming, and the DAO steers the budget. And here's the life cycle of an idea, told through one simple example. Maria, a community member, wants an Elastos wallet in Spanish. She posts her idea on the DAO platform. People discuss cost, roadmap, and whether the feature already exists. When the conversation shows real support, one of the 12 council members promotes Maria's post to a formal proposal. A 7-day on-chain vote starts. If at least 8 council members approve, the proposal survives stage 1. And the network then gives everyone else another 7 days to review the decision. If ELA holders do not raise a veto, the blockchain releases ELA to Maria's dev team in milestones they can't change or reroute, and the entire trail sits permanently on the blockchain. Every May, the community of ELA holders elect 12 council members, and anyone can run by locking 5,000 ELA for the year. If you win, that stake keeps earning. Historically, around 30% per year, though the rate can move. If you don't win, your deposit comes back. Council duties are straightforward but serious. Keep a high-spec node online, read every proposal, ask hard questions, and vote on time. Good councillors balance ambition with caution. Rubber stamping everything is the quickest way to lose community trust in the next election. If you're building, a council seat lets you steer funding towards the tools you know the ecosystem needs. If you're a marketer, you can back campaigns that grow adoption. And if you simply hold ELA, voting is how you protect the treasury from waste. Over 70 proposals have been funded so far. Web3 dApps, conferences, core protocol, research and development, each one traceable in the blockchain and the platform. Now, if you want to know how to join, first you need to install the Essentials wallet and create a decentralized ID. It takes about 2 minutes to do so it's very easy. Next, keep some ELA in the wallet. 1 coin equals 1 vote. Browse the live proposals so you see what the community is discussing right now. Now, if you want to run for council, submit your candidacy before the end of May. Campaigning is as simple as sharing your plan in Discord or Telegram and answering questions honestly. When the election window opens, you'll find a vote button inside the wallet. Tap, sign, and your vote is on-chain instantly. Once the final block of the election period is mined, the new council takes over. Proposals keep flowing, councillors keep reading and voting, the public keeps watching. Now, if a councillor goes silent or consistently votes against the community's interest, voters will remember next May. So what would that mean for you? And that's the Elastos DAO, secure at its base, participatory at the top, and fully transparent from end to end. If you've ever wanted a real say in how a blockchain project spends